Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know how can you turn on friend quest on Duolingo language learning lesson. So in order to turn on friend quest on Duolingo language learning lesson, you just need to follow this simple steps. So first of all, you want to make sure that your application is completely up to date. Now to do it, so you want to first of all log into your Duolingo account. After which, what you want to do is you want to go to your profile settings and then navigate to the general section, and after which you'll be able to see this friend quest feature. You just want to go ahead and click on let's go at the bottom of the page. Once you do it, so you'll have to complete now 30 quests in order to begin with that. So make sure to complete all of these steps. You'll be able to win a reward. That way you'll have successfully turned on friend quest on your Duolingo language learning lesson. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.